Okay, so Parijat, like, how would you want to, start introducing yourself? Just a brief introduction so that the listeners get to know that who are you and why are you on this podcast? Like, what are we going to discuss?
Oh, great. So my name is Parijat, as you have already stated, named a fancy, unique name like most Indian parents love to do.
Yeah. Okay.
And unfortunately, at 5 feet 3.5, the world doesn't care, and mostly people call me Chotu.
Okay.
So that's about me. Also at 5 feet 3.5, luckily the tallest in my family. So
Okay.
that's going great. In terms of work, I do three things. I am a marketer. I function in the capacity of an independent consultant in the marketing space.
Okay.
I'm also into writing and stand-up comedy.
Okay.
Uh, have done comedy beyond stand-up also, but primarily it is stand-up along with other forms of comedy. So those are few of the things that I focus on. So
Yeah.
yeah, that's me.
Yeah. And about the stand-up and marketing part, like, would you like to drop some names, as in flaunt some companies that okay, I have worked with them?
Sure, we can do that, and we probably talk about some of the names. Flaunting is always great.
Yeah.
Can't deny that I don't love doing that.
Yeah.
That said, yes, in a marketing career which comprises of having worked as a corporate employee or a corporate slave, whichever way the audience wants to look at it.
Yeah.
That part was about 11 plus years,
Yeah.
and as an independent consultant now it has been 3 plus years. So as an employee I've worked with Tata Motors, Tata Communications, First Source Solutions, which is one of India's leading BPOs,
Okay.
and last assignment was with a mobile communications company, enterprise mobile communications company,
Okay.
called Carix, which is now Carix Tanla. uh, as an independent consultant, again, have been fortunate to work with multiple brands. कुछ enterprises हैं, कुछ individuals हैं, कुछ startups हैं, कुछ SMEs हैं. So Tata Communications again has been a client as well, in addition to being an ex-employer.
Yeah.
Some of the other brands, that I have worked with, that I've done projects with, are Rustam Ji. There is this company called ATG Tires, Mahindra Holidays. So some of the enterprise clients, startups, multiple people, very interesting stuff.
Yeah.
Startup called Upraised, which is helping people explore careers in product management. There's a startup called Blaze Clan, which is in the cloud technology space.
Okay.
With a small team, I was part of their rebranding initiative last year. Very exciting project.
Okay.
Many others. A very, very amazing individual that I have been working with for the past 1+ year is a gentleman called Harish Mehta.
Okay.
Massive respect, massive shout out to him. One of the co-founders of NASCOM, which is the IT industry body
Yeah.
in India.
Heard that.
Also the founder of a lovely organization called Onward Technologies, Onward Group, of which Onward Technologies is a part of. Uh, Amazing gentleman, one of the flag bearers of the information technology revolution in India,
Yeah.
along with many other leading lights who happen to be better known, like Narayan Murthy or Azim Premji and the likes.
Yeah.
So amazing working with him as well, working on his personal brand and social media content. Uh, there's a book that he's working on that I'm part of that project as well.
Yeah.
So that's on the marketing side. On writing and stand-up comedy, again, very lucky to have worked with many amazing brands, right from large enterprise brands like Mercedes Benz, Siemens, Kotak, Nivea. Tata Communications recently became a comedy client as well.
Okay.
It was great to go back there and do some comedy for folks that I have worked with in the past.
Yeah.
uh, Startups as well. So yeah, 50 plus brands in the comedy space have been kind enough to have me over as a comedian.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is the bragging part, Morris. I
Yeah.
hope that suffices. And if we have to revisit some brands or pick up some company somewhere, then we will talk about that.
Yeah.